Hey everyone, how are you? In this video, we are going to solve the lead code problem of the day, and the problem is maximum number of events that can be attended. In this particular problem, the given input is an array of events. Basically, we are given just one input, and that input is an array, and this array is basically representing some events. Every event in this particular given array is itself an array of two elements. These are the two elements. It has start day and end day. So there is an array as an input, array of events, and every event itself is an array of two data, the start date and the ending date. The output we need to give is the maximum number of events that you can attend. So we need to try to attend the maximum number of events based on the event's start day and the end day. Now, when we say that the start day and end day of an event is given, it means that the event is happening from the given start day till the end day. For example, if the event is 1, 3, it means that the event is happening on the day 1, day 2, day 3. These are the 3 days on which this event is happening. We need to try to attend maximum number of events and return that how many maximum events can we attend. Another input can be the events can be on day number 4 to day number 8. It means that 4, 8 means that 4 is the start day, 8 is the end day. The event is happening on day 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From day 4 to day 8. That is what that's what the input is representing. Now, there is a rule based on which you need to find the output. The thing is, we know that we need to find the number of events we can attend, that to the maximum, right? Now we should know how to attend an event, or maybe what can be called as attending an event. So the rule is an event can be attended on any day of event's start to end day. It means that if an event is happening from day 4 to day 8, that is the days are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 5 days on which an event is happening. I can say that I have attended a particular event if I can just attend the event on any day of the event's start to end. That is, I may choose to attend this particular event on day 5, and I can say that I have attended this event. But there is one more condition, that you can just attend only one event on a particular date or on a particular day. So if I am attending an event on day number 5, maybe that event is happening from day 4 to day 8, and I am attending this event on day number 5. So I can say I have attended this event, but on day 5 I cannot attend any other event. Only one event can be attended on a day. So if I am attending an event on day 5, or let us say if I am attending a particular event or day, or let us say if I am attending a particular event on day number 2, it means that I cannot attend any other event on day 2. Okay, so that's the basic rule we need to remember while solving this particular problem. Now let us quickly try to understand the input scenarios and see what can be the output, and this will help us to understand the problem more. So there is an example input in which the events given are, this is the particular events which are given: 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 and 1, 2. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4 events which are happening. The first one is happening from day 1 to day 2. The second is from day 2 to day 3. Third is from 3 to 4, and fourth is from 1 to 2. So I can say that if the days are 1, 2, 3, 4, that is, let us say this is the day 1, this is day 2, this is day 3, and this is day 4. So there is an event 1, 2 which is happening from day number 1 to day number 2, right? There is another event 1 comma 2 which is happening from day number 1 to day number 2. Both these events are different, completely different, although they are happening in the same start to end range, but they are completely different. There is another event 2 comma 3 which is happening from day number 2 to day number 3, right? That's the range. And there is this 3 comma, and there is one more event 3 comma 4 happening from day number 3 to day number 4. Now tell me what's the maximum number of events we can attend. So in this case I know that the number of events are 4, so the maximum answer itself can be 4, right? Alright, on the day number 1 I can say I want to attend this particular event. I want to attend this event. That is because this particular event is happening on the day number 1 and day number 2. So on the day number 1 I may choose to attend this one, and I can say okay, this one is attended, right? And now day 1 is done. I cannot attend any other event on the day number 1. What about day number 2? I will just go out of my house and I will say okay, I see one of the events which is happening on day number 2 is this one, and there is another event which is happening this one on the same day. On the same day number 2 there is this event and this event, and we have the first event as well which we have already attended. So this is also happening on the day number 2. So on day 2 in reality there are total 3 events which is happening. The first, second and the third, they are happening on the day number 2. Which one do you want to attend? Now for sure you don't want to attend this event because we have already attended it, and because we have already attended this event and we want to maximize the number of events we want to attend, right? So let us try to attend either this one or this one on the day number 2. Now the thing is, I will not attend this one, instead I will attend this one, and that's because if I just attend this one, let us say I attend this event on day number 2, right? Now on day number 3 there is just, now I cannot attend this event anymore. On the day number 3, day number 4 and further days, this event is already expired or already ended, right? And I have not attended this. So it was ending on the day number 2. This event was ending on the day number 3. So I have a chance to attend this event later on. So on the day number 2 I will say okay, let me attend this particular event, right? Because this is about to end. Alright, so I will just attend this event on the day number 2 and I can say attended, right? Now on the day number 3 I can either attend this event or this event because they both are happening on the day number 3. But if I attend this one, right, then I cannot attend this one later. That's because this is about to end and this event is still happening. It is starting on day number 3 and it will again happen on day number 4, right? So what I will do is I will attend this particular event on the day number 3, right? And I can say attended. Now I cannot attend any more events on the day number 3. On the day number 4 I can say I have just one event which is happening on the day number 4 and I will attend this. So I will just attend, so I will attend the 3,4 event and I can say attended. No more events can be attended on day number 4. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 events we can attend. So if we are just strategically a bit smart, we can attend maximum number of events, even all the events, right? In this case there are 4 events. We are able to attend all the 4 events. So the output for this particular input is going to be 4, right? Now let us see a scenario. Now let us see a scenario in which we will not be able to attend more events. We will not be able to attend all the events. So let us say these are the events which are happening 1 to 3, 2 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 3 to 4, 4 to 4. These are 6 different events which are happening on different days. On the day number 1, I can say I will attend this for this particular. On the day number 1, I have two options to attend this event or this event, right? What I will do is I will attend this particular event on the day number 1. This particular event on the day number 1, right? Then on the day number 2, I have the options of attending this one and this one, right? Even I can attend this one, but no, it's already attended, right? So out of these two events, what I will do is I will attend